How's it going, Forex traders? Yours truly, Desmond Samuel, and I am back on your screen, guys. Literally, you are in for a ride. I urge you to actually sit right back and watch this video all the way to the end, guys. I'm going to be teaching you guys something very crucial, very valid in the market, because I actually feel like you guys need my help. How's it going, Forex traders? How's it going, Forex traders? Yours truly, Desmond Samuel, and I am back on your screen. The guy that's no How's it going, Forex traders? Yours truly, Desmond Samuel, and I am back on the chat. I'm back on your screen yet again. The guy that knows when the market is actually ready to move, guys. Now, today's video promises to be very different, guys. You are in for a ride. Believe me, you are in for a ride. All right. So just make sure you see through to the end and make sure you watch. And I urge you to actually pause right now and grab a journal and a pen, and then be sure to note down the few points I'll be making, because actually not that few. So I urge you to grab your journals. So I urge you to grab your journal and your writing material. So I urge you to grab your journal and your pen. So I urge you to grab your journal and your pen, because there are lots of things you're going to be learning today. All right. So, and I urge you to see through to the end. Be sure to watch to the end, because guys, there's a lot I'm about to show you in the market. All right. So be safe and let's go. How's it going, Forex traders? Yours truly, Desmond Samuel, and I am back on your screen yet again. The guy that knows when the market is actually ready. All right, so now today's video promises to be very different, guys. I urge you to grab your writing material, grab your journal and your pen, and see through to the end. Make sure you watch the video all the way through to the end, because there are tons of things you'll be learning, guys. Do not skip any part. So these things are very important. I just decided to do this for you guys because I feel like you guys really need to see the light. You need to see what works. So this is exactly, I'm going to be walking you guys through what my thought process is like the moment I open up my trading laptop, and then what I do on the chart, what I look out for, and how I plan the entire thing, how I call out the trades, what I see. Guys, you're in for a ride. Just sit right there and watch through to the end, and let's go.